Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for mortgage or home loan in Chase Bank from your mobile device. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device and in the web address bar type in chase.com, and once you're in the official homepage of Chase Bank, like I am over here, under the choose what's right for you, scroll to the right and there you can see an option named home loans, so tap on it. Now scroll down and on the bottom side of the screen you can see an option named start online, so tap on it. After that, scroll down and then you'll have to choose whether you have already started an application or not. After that, you'll have to choose whether you are a Chase customer or not. Once you've selected both of those, tap next. And here you'll have to enter your details such as your first name, last name, your date of birth, social security number, home address, contact information such as email address and phone number. After that, tap on the box in front of check this box if your information is correct and then tap next. After that, once you've followed all the steps provided to you, you'll have successfully applied for home loans or mortgage in Chase Bank from your mobile device. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.